So you want to make money with YouTube Shorts channel without ever showing your face, but you don't know where to start, and a lot of that stems from the first step in this process, which is choosing a niche or a category of content that you are going to upload. It's important to stick to a single niche, so when one blows up and all of your other videos will also benefit from that, and they drive traffic to each other. Now, if you don't know which niche to choose, don't worry. So many people get stuck here and they worry about what's going to happen if they choose the wrong niche. So luckily, you can easily prevent choosing the wrong niche because there's a few best YouTube short niches that are out there, and I have done a ton of research into this. After watching this video, you'll be certain that you have a good niche now. So the first thing that you need to do is choose a niche for your YouTube Shorts channel. And I am going to be revealing an amazing YouTube short niche that you can do using AI to generate the videos for you. So you barely even have to lift a finger. So I am going to show you example of channels within this niche, how they are potentially making money and how they are actually generating their videos, so that you can copy them and do the same YouTube short niche, which is funny stories. And you have probably seen videos like this all over social media getting tons of views, and these videos are literally just a funny story on top of some stock footage or an AI generated background, and these can shockingly get a lot of views like that. Just take a look at this channel right here. Their top videos have millions of views on individual videos. And what's really crazy about this channel is that this channel was literally made in November of 2023 and of October 2023. It hasn't even been a year since I am recording this video right now, and this is not the only channel doing this. There's tons of different ones doing this where it's literally just some text on a screen telling a funny story or a joke, and then they just put something playing in the background. Now you might be saying, that's great, but how could I generate videos similar to this that could also get a ton of views without putting in a ton of work? Well, check this out. If we take a look at some of their top videos right here, you can create same using Vid AI or by using InVideo AI. So let me give you an idea for that. You can do anyone that you'd like. Let's do a female voiceover on this one, and then you can choose what you want your video to look like. Let's just do an AI generated one right here and then click generate and boom. Just like that, our video is done. And we have a funny story that we could upload that we literally generated in under 30 seconds. So I hope now you guys have made up your mind for your YouTube Shorts channel, and I'll see you all in the next video with some amazing new ideas. Take care.
Parenting is a game of surprises, right? Wait till you hear this one. So, little Timmy asks his mom, "Why can't I stay up as late as you?" Mom says, "Because I'm a grown-up with important things to do." Timmy shoots back, "Like eating ice cream and watching TV?" Touche, Timmy. Touche. Sometimes their logic is flawless.